What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, it's going to be about how to make money as fast as possible with CPA affiliate marketing. I know you guys really want to make money for the new year. 2025 is definitely coming up very, very fast, less than 30 days away. So for people out there who still haven't made this happen for themselves, I'm telling you it's possible, and I want to touch on that in this video. As you can see right now, I'm on vacation. I'm in Curacao, and it's like this island, a part of the ABC Islands, Bonaire, Aruba. It's like in between Bonaire and Aruba. So yeah, I'm in Curacao. Got a nice little apartment. This thing is nice. I actually give you a little tour. A little living room right here. Got the kitchen right here. Like this is like a world-renowned type of architect who designed these apartments. So real dope. They got like this cool little stove. You just press this button right here. You gotta hold it, and then you select which eye you want. So say I want that one, and then you can just like turn it up to how high you want it. Real dope, real dope. So it gets hot pretty fast too. I just thought that was cool. You guys know I had to bring my American snacks also. You know, I got Pringles, Hot Cheetos, Doritos, got my nuts, gummy bears already. I was snacking on those in America. Couldn't even make it here. But yeah, guys, filtered water so I can drink right from the fridge. You can see I got smart waters. I brought those from America. We can even check outside. I got a nice little view right here. Let me show you guys the view. So yeah, this place has 4 pools. So here's one of the pools right here, and it's another pool that's like on top of there, kind of like right here. It's a pool right here. I can actually even show you guys real quick. Let's just go down there real fast, real quick. I'm gonna come right back, only because I'm like right here. It's a pool that's like an infinity style type pool. I want you guys to see it. It's actually really dope. So you can see this place is nicely designed. But as you can see, another pool down there. So yeah, definitely gonna be jumping in this pool, guys. And this is just the lifestyle that I live now that I've, you know, been successful with CPA marketing. And a lot of you guys have been seeing me live this lifestyle for years and years and years, and it's not gonna stop because I know how to get traffic, right? I know how to get people to basically click my links online, buy stuff, enter their information, whatever I want them to do, whatever the objective is, I can get them to do it. So yeah, that's the pool right there. Like I said, living room and all this stuff. Air conditioning unit. So I got this place because it was pretty new. Oh, this place right, this spot right here is the laundry room. So they got washer and dryer right there. And this is where I'm sleeping. It was like just the coolest room in the house. They got ACs and stuff, but this one was still like pretty cool. So, you know, got my devices right here, my newest book pickups. Oh yeah, let me show you guys what the money looks like here. This is what the money is like. I got some American money in there, but yeah, this is the money right here. It's the $50 bill, 25. I just took out like 400. I think it's called the Gildan. So yeah, it's the money right here, and then, you know, we got the dinero, the American dollar. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm telling you guys, get your passport and travel, man. Traveling this year has been great. I actually got pre-check, and I got global entry now. So no more waiting in custom lines, no more waiting in no lines at the airport. I breezed right through the airport. Literally, I was at the airport and to the gate in like less than 10 minutes, guys. It was actually crazy how fast I got there. But what I want to go over in this video is how to make money for yourself so you can live a life like this. And I can actually talk about that as I show you the other bedroom. There's one more bedroom here too. I just don't sleep in this one, but it's actually a 2-bedroom. I'll show you guys this one real fast. So yeah, another room. I did travel solo because this was like last minute stuff. I decided that your girl right there decided that I just wanted to take a little vacation. Shower's really nice in here too. So yeah, decided I just wanted to take a vacation. It was like kind of last minute, like literally one day notice. Like I booked this for like just one day, and that's usually how I travel. I don't usually plan ahead for weeks and weeks and weeks. I usually just, whenever I'm in the mood and I just want to travel, or I'm bored at the house and I'm not really up to much, that's what I'll do. I'll just book a trip real random, find a location. And this spot is pretty dope. I found this last minute, nice price. You guys know the perks that come with running a CPA marketing business. I'm able to get reimbursed for all my ad spend. So all my ad spend from Facebook, Google, etc. All that ad spend I put on my American Express card, and I'm able to get points for that spend. And with that, I'm able to use it for Delta Sky Miles and get free flights, basically, all from basically just running a business. So yeah, guys, about how to make money as fast as possible, what you're going to really need to do is you're going to really need to master whatever traffic source that you're interested in. Like how I just mentioned 3 traffic sources, those are kind of like my bread and butter. I like social type traffic platforms, but a lot of you, there's many different type of traffic, right? It's like you got mobile traffic, you got native traffic, you got search traffic. So it's just like, what type of traffic do you really want? What ads do you see yourself launching continuously, day in, day out, day in, day out? What ads can you put out fast? If you think you can put out text-based ads and split test those effectively very quickly, I say start with search. If you feel like you can do photos and videos and put out that and create that type of content pretty fast, you know, start with Facebook ads, you know, start with TikTok ads and just start launching. But what I see a lot of with not only just like my students, but just people out there, period, guys, you aren't launching, you're not launching often enough. You're launching, but you're not split testing effectively. Like I said, guys, before I had my first successful ad, I put up 30 campaigns, guys, 30 campaigns until I found my first successful offer. And I think you guys need to realize that success sometimes doesn't happen overnight. You know, sometimes it takes a minute for, you know, success to gain traction, for you to really figure out what you're doing and like be good at it, right? I wasn't good right off the bat. I had to practice. I had to take courses. That's why I offer my private coaching, because it was people out there just like me at the time who was offering their services, who were offering coaching and things like that. And I took it. I took a bunch of courses, guys. I used to literally be on Warrior Forum, taking Warrior Forum courses, like anything. If it talked about affiliate, internet marketing, make money online, guys, I learned it. And that's what you got to do. If you want to make money as fast as possible, learn as much as possible, as fast as possible. Because the longer you take getting information, the longer you take trying to figure everything out, is the longer it's going to take for you to make money. But I'm the super affiliate who can actually give you the shortcut. So I'm not just going to say, oh, just get my coaching, just get my course, because no, that's not just the end all be all. I'm going to say what you need to do, which is, yes, you can get my expertise on how to launch effectively, but at the end of the day, you need to be launching. You should be launching campaigns day in, day out, day in, day out. You should be creating landing pages. You should be creating ad creatives, right? Do these things continuously until you find that one successful campaign that will literally change your life, like it did for me, guys. After I launched those 30 campaigns, I finally found a winner, right? And now look at my life. You guys been seeing me live my dream life literally in front of your faces for 7 years, even though before I had YouTube, I was already successful. I was already living my dream life, had already quit my job. But you guys know before that, I was literally working at a warehouse. I was literally broke, staying with my parents. I didn't have a passport. I wasn't taking no trips. I wasn't doing anything. I was living a life that was just disgusting. I didn't have any money. I couldn't even eat out, guys. I was eating ramen noodles for dinner. I was eating grits for dinner. And you guys heard this because I tell my story plenty of times. But this is not one of those videos where I just want to tell a sob story. I really want you guys to realize what exactly it's going to take to make money as fast as possible. And that's going to be getting the traffic as fast as possible. And not only getting the traffic, but launching effectively. Because I see a lot of guys just pick out weird offers. You guys pick out the weirdest offers sometimes. and I'm not trying to be rude or anything, so don't take this as disrespect. It's just as a super affiliate, you know, I see these things. I see people get these weird 80-cent offers or weird sweepstake offers, and they match it up to the most awkward traffic sources like Facebook or something like that. Like, you shouldn't be trying to run sweeps on Facebook. Like, that is a mobile traffic type offer. You need to make sure that you have an offer traffic source match, right? And that's going to be key to success. Oh, I actually can show you guys outside too. Let me show you guys outside while I'm talking. But that's going to be key to success, is just making sure your traffic source matches up to your offer. This is like the front. So it's just like a cool little apartment. We got that right there. Yeah, real nice. It's quiet. Yeah, I really love this spot, so I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm here for about a week, so yeah, I'm gonna be in Curacao for about a week. It's your girl right there. Curacao for a week, so I'm just gonna be chilling, kicking it, making money. I'm gonna be making videos while I'm here too, because like when I'm at home, you know, I'm usually just vibing with my family, my friends and stuff like that, you know, making money, living life. You know, it's home. But when I'm here, it's just something about being out the country. It's like, I just want everybody to experience this, right? I want everybody to just live the dream. Like, this is what internet marketing has done for me. You know what I'm saying? It's really done this. I wish I knew how to zoom on this camera. I could show you guys like the little mountain views and stuff. But I really want everybody to live this lifestyle, because I just feel like if it can happen for me, it can happen for anybody. I was nothing special, guys. I literally was somebody who just found a way to make money online. I saw somebody talking about make money online and it sounded cool, right? I was on the internet just like you guys, on YouTube, typing in how to make money online, and I just decided to take it serious. A lot of you guys, you see this type of information, but you don't take it serious. You think it's some type of pipe dream or somebody just trying to sell you a course or some type of dream. But really, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to bring you guys with me. Not everybody can just take trips in one day. I can't just, you guys always be like, well, Chanel, why you travel alone? Even when I'm traveling alone, a lot of people are like, why are you alone? I'm alone because people can't just pick up and travel in one day. A lot of people need notice. A lot of people don't move as drastic as me. But that's the difference between me and a lot of people. I move drastic. Just like when I wanted to make money online. I was one of the first, you know, people out there that was like really, like in my friend group, all that, who was like really dead set on becoming an entrepreneur, while everybody was still like, no, I'm gonna get a job, I'm gonna get a good job and all this other stuff. I already knew I wanted to work from home. I already knew I wanted freedom in life. And I acted fast. I did drastic things. I quit my job. But I mean, not saying that was the best decision, because yes, I lost everything quitting my job. I wasn't able to afford my apartment. Wasn't able to, you know, my car was paid for and stuff, but I wasn't able to pay for any, like, gas or anything like that. I couldn't even afford insurance, my phone bill, because I didn't have no job. I didn't have no income, but I had a dream. And my dream was I can make money online. That was my dream. My dream was I can live my dream life. But guys, it starts with having that vision, right? So you might be thinking, okay, I want to make money fast. I need it fast. And you may even be in a dire situation like I was, like, because I was in a dire situation where I had to make it happen fast, right? Like, I was losing everything. I was staying at home, and it's like, it took me making a decision, though, and actually taking action, guys. I would fall asleep on my laptop. Guys, mindset is key. I'm somebody totally different. And learning internet marketing, CPA marketing, put me on this journey. And I ain't even gonna say that started it, because when before I came online, it was like an MLM thing. I had somebody came to me about MLM, and that's what had me look for more things, you know, while I was doing MLM. Then I realized, okay, well, let me see what else is out there. And that's when I started learning, oh, I can actually recruit people online. I can get people to sign up online or stuff like that. But then I realized I don't have to be recruiting people. I don't have to try to convince people to want to make money. I don't have to convince people to change their life. Like, now I do this, but I'm not really convincing you guys. I just put these videos out for help. I'm not reaching out to people and doing meetings and stuff like that. But I decided I'm going to just promote offers instead of promote an MLM, promote offers, promote affiliate offers, and get paid. And I don't even need a sale. You guys know I focus on cost per lead offers. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, if you want to make money fast, that's really what you should do. You should focus on cost per lead offers. Offers that don't even require a sale. You just get a simple sign up, like an email address or a download offer through mobile traffic or something really, really simple with a really easy conversion point. That's literally how you make money as fast as possible. This video just candid. Like this is gonna be my new style 2025. I just want to point and shoot and just talk from the heart. I may do some stuff on the computer and share my screen and stuff, because sometimes you guys do need tutorials and do need to see how it's all broke down. But I got a lot of that in my academy that comes with my private coaching. So if you're interested in private coaching, if you're interested in learning more about CPA marketing, guys, make sure you check out the link below. My private coaching is open for a limited time only. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hop in the pool later. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get food first, and then after I get food, I'll see if maybe I want to go for like a little night swim. It's hot here though. It's like 85 degrees, so I don't know what I want to do. I know it's just real humid, so I think I'm gonna just grab food, and then after that, see what I want to do. But this AC definitely feels way better. That's why I came right back in. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for this video. Really don't have too much more to say, I guess. I did want to do like a Q&A video. So if you made it to this point of the video, thank you for getting to the end of this video. I try to drop as many gems. I'm gonna try to drop more gems and more videos, but I want you guys basically to drop me some questions down below. If I were to make it like a Q&A video, you know what I'm saying? Like, what kind of questions would you have for that? So just drop me some ideas, and I'm gonna try to get that Q&A video out to you guys sometime within this week, next week, answering you guys' questions and things like that. But that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.